Hey YouTube, it's Tia Marie and I'm back with another video. I am so super excited because I just got some hair in the mail. So this is going to be my initial thoughts on the hair. I'm gonna open it. Well, I opened the package already because I couldn't wait. But I didn't open it for real. Look how cute that is. This is QueenBeautyHair off of AliExpress. First time ever ordering from them. I think I spent $67 on this wig. Yeah, $67. And it came in 4 days. I ordered it on a Friday. Just came today. Only little issue is, for some reason, the seller told them to send it to FedEx instead of my house, so it didn't get delivered to my house. I had to go pick it up, but look how cute this packaging is. Alright, so this is 613 hair. Oh look, they gave me wig cap. Those are very, very useful for me. That's not my shade. Okay. 613 bob cut hair. Blunt cut, like blunt cut into a bob. I want to try something different for you guys. Let's see. This should be 10 inches. Feels soft. It's got a weird smell. Okay, like I was saying, it kind of has a weird smell to it. I wouldn't say it smells like factory, but it shouldn't smell like anything. It surely smells like something. So this is the wig. That's a lot of parting space. I'm excited about that. Yeah, that's a lot of parting space. Ooh, 4 clips. Honestly, it look kind of big. Like I can put this wig on top of this one. Oh, cause I can. Oh yes, we got a twofer right here. 2 wigs. 10 inches. Huh. I'm starting to think I should have got 12, but it's gonna be cute. Just wait. Just wait. So I'm going to tint the lace, pluck it to make it look a little more natural, and then we're gonna install. Oops. We're gonna install. So we'll be back. It's a whole new day. My bad. I thought I was gonna be able to get into it and finish recording all in one day. That's why it's a new shirt, new makeup. But I had got the opportunity to review another wig. Check that video out. I'll put that somewhere in here. But let's look at this hair. I'm actually pleased with it. It's something very different for me. I did tint the lace. It didn't really do much, so then I just took regular foundation. I changed the part. I didn't pluck anything because when I went to look at it, they did a really good job. I really like Queen Beauty as of right now. Only problem that I do have is it had a lot of flyaways, so it got to be glue. Sprayed it on my hands, wiped it down, and she's looking kind of nice. Another thing is the cap is pretty big, so if you have a big head, this is for you. You can most definitely rock this. But I'm gonna keep it in to see how it holds. Do you think I should color it? And if so, what color? Leave a comment, because anything besides red. I've already had red hair. Check out that video too. I'll put that somewhere in the abyss. But yeah, I was thinking maybe like an icy blue, kind of darker than this, but please, I am open to suggestions. What would you like to see me try to do? And then we would know if this hair can take any color. But this is QueenBeautyHair. Don't forget that. AliExpress, $67, 4-day shipping. I mentioned that all in the beginning, but just to recap, thank you for checking out my video. I hope that you subscribe. I literally post Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. Twice out of the week is normally hair, and then Sunday is something like I might do a makeup review or makeup tutorial, natural hair tutorial. I don't know yet, but join me, give me love so I can give you love. Okay? See you again on Sunday, so you better be there. Thank you.